you're gonna deploy in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom. So I was like, damn.
What up, peeps? Welcome to another episode of Next Friday. Now this week, my whole reason with my brethren, Zumjay.
Yes, Teino.
Welcome.
It's been a while. Yes, man. Give thanks, brother, man. It's been a while, you know.
Yes, man.
You know, I don't know. You know, I don't know how far where I come from in a Teino.
History.
From the days, you know, till now, you know. So I can't tell you how much is a joy, you know, and how much me really appreciate the opportunity of being on this platform with you and the whole works, you know. And
Yes,
really glad for you having me here, you know.
Respect,
Yeah,
man. Welcome to the show, brother.
Yes, next Friday.
So, right away, Zoom, got a long time with no reason, reason. You know. Tell me, what's been happening with you outside of the music, though? We're not even started with the music yet.
So, a lot's been happening outside of the music. As you know, I live overseas right now, into the States, and just basically over there, you know, I'm concentrated mainly on family.
Right.
You know, just raising my 2 kids, you know, just making everyone happy with my family and my wife and everyone. And also, you know, I'm in the military overseas as well.
Correct.
So my aim right now is just get to 20 years and retire. That's my aim and that's my goal. I got 6 more to go.
Oh, yes, that's so long, Reggie.
That's so long, man. It's me 14 I have now. I have 6 more to go. So I just try just make it through the next 6 years. I know say, yo, I can come back a yard and just all the vibes and just enjoy. Because that's really and truly the main reason why I'm overseas. You know? Just I put in the work, you know, so I can come home and enjoy it. Jamaica, you see.
Just set it.
Yes, I.
But what is it like, you know, being in the military though? I mean, a whole heap of years that, you know, Reggie.
Whole heap of years, yes. And but you know, at first culture shock, but then over the years, you know, I just gotten used to it, and honestly, you know, it really and truly make me a better person, make me a better man, you know, really and truly help me with my growth and my maturity, certain way of discipline.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it's a great experience, and I would recommend it. I would recommend it too, you know, to each and every one, you know.
Yeah, man. But even looking back though, Zoom, because you know, at the time when you know went overseas and joined the military, you're in the heights of your dancehall career.
Yes,
so
100%.
How did that impact the whole musical journey?
Well, of course, you know, my music career took a hit because of that, and just because I wasn't in Jamaica putting in the time and, you know, having a presence in the dancehall arena. You know, I had to be more focused on the music because that was really what was. I had to be more focused on the military because that was what really was supporting my family. Right. And the reason why I went to the military at that point in my career was because I had just got married 2 years prior, of course. You know, you break the story upon that as well. When we got married, you know, Teino Evans, you know, they do all the write-up. So people honestly say, I don't know. Right?
And how many years of marriage now?
15 years now.
15
that was
years.
2000. And this year's going to be 16, basically. November this year.
I'm going strong.
I'm going strong, yes. So 2006, when you broke the story, right? I got married. 2008 now, basically, my wife, Avisha, she was pregnant. She was with child, and so now I had to make a decision because my daughter was about to be born, and I didn't want to be a deadbeat, and I didn't think I was making sufficient money from the music industry to support this child. Remember, prior to having this child, I'm just responsible for myself, right? You know, more time.
Different settings.
Yes. No. So now me have to step up to the plate now and play my part because I know I'm gonna make everything just depend of it, right?
Yeah.
So that's how I joined the military. Originally, I joined the reserves, so I could get supplemental income to put with my music income to support and, you know, and everything, my daughter. But then once I joined the military, they gave me orders to go into the Middle East, and the income that I was making from the military, it was stable.
Right.
As opposed to music business, income, which is not stable. This month is good, next month is not good.
Yeah, man, the ups and downs.
Ups and downs. You have the high seasons in the summer time when all the festivals going on, or the Christmas time, but then in between those 2 seasons, it's like tambourine season, is it? So
yeah, man.
Yeah, so military basically was where I was getting my income from, and that's why it kind of drew me from the music a certain way, so I couldn't be here in Jamaica having a dancehall presence, and that's why music career basically took a hit because of that. But I always do music regardless, I just know that
Definitely.
I have to do it as a hobby basically. Yes,
yeah,
I.
Man. Why? But I mean, even joining the military as being in the reserves and then being, given orders to go to the Middle East.
Yes.
What was running through your mind? Because you never really sign up for that.
You know, never sign up for that part of the something there, Teino. So when me come out of basic training now, I say yes. I can do 6 months like basic and AIT, which is advanced individual training, where you learn your job in the military. So the 6 months of training basically. And once I come out, I'm like, I'm in the reserves, I'm just gonna drill. 1 weekend out of the month, 1 weekend, right, out of every month, right? It's called 2 days out of every month, and then 2 weeks out of every year, you do your annual training or whatever.
Right.
I thought that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get back to the music now after this 6 months, right? And punch it. Soon as I got to my unit, they say, hey, you gonna deploy? I said, what? I'm saying, yeah, you're gonna deploy in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom. So I was like, damn. All right, no worries. Let's do this, cause when I run from you have to step up. We just gotta do it, right? So what was running through my mind? A lot, man. Like I was like, damn, I'm about to leave my family. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna see them again. Everything running through, all of them Rambo movie there, and then come out and then Chuck Norris movie there.
Yeah, man.
Them I run through my brain right now. I say, yo, But went over there, it was a culture shock, learned a lot over there, and I came back in one piece, and just have to give thanks for that, and very grateful that I'm here to tell the tale, Yeah, man.
Getting back on track with the music though.
Yes.
Tell me what kind of plan you devised for that.
Okay, so you mean over the years or right now, present time?
No, over the years when you got settled in the military and
got you.
You decide you're gonna look back to the music now.
Okay, so I never really, as in lose touch or stop communicating or stop basically following up with what was going on with the music. So even when I was overseas, I was calling, you don't know my brother in Stephen Lenke Mars then, I was calling Jigsaw Glock, that's Sean Paul brother, he's a producer as well. I was calling Kappa Sean from Kappa Shot as well from overseas.
Some rhythms still I reach.
Some rhythms still I reach. Remember they are right while I'm over there in the whole world. Sometimes I call them like late at night over there. It's like daytime over here. Some will call them and say, yo, what go on, boom, 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 and all the reasoning. Well, and still when I get a break, I would come down, record, go back and all that good stuff. Even when I was in the Middle East, at the time, we had a 2-week break where you could go wherever in the world you want to go. So, of course, I chose to come to Jamaica. So, boom, I came to Jamaica at the time, shot a music video and the whole works, and went back the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Went back in 2 weeks and finished the rest of my deployment, So, I got stationed in Charleston after a while. And when I was down there, I was still recording. I recorded for Snow Cone while I was down there. It was more, of course, I'm not here in Jamaica underground, so I'm not in presence of, the masses and all that good stuff, but at least,
you still reach the ears.
Yes, and some of my key producer friends were still sending me rhythms and all that good stuff, and I would record and all that good stuff. So I always had a connection with the music regardless, even if the mass is not hearing me. Yes, if you search, you will find, Yeah, man.
Well, that must have been, a struggle, because even entertainers who are in Jamaica, they must feel like do road every night and something.
It's a struggle. It's a struggle. It's a more of a mental struggle more than anything else, because remember, music is what passion,
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Regardless of what else you're doing, basically I do it because I feel like I gotta do it, right? They say do what you have to do until you can do what you want to do, right?
Yeah, do what you love.
Or do what you love, exactly. So music is what we really love. So over the years, even right now, it play from my brain mentally, of course, that even though I'm in this space, I'm successful in this other space.
Right.
My heart really and truly is with the music, and this is where I want to be. But unfortunately, the music business go up and down. It not gonna really turn out 100% of the time. Oh, you want it to turn out,
Man.
So that's just how it is,
You have roughly 6 years left
6 years to go, man. Yes, I.
So I know you're putting out new stuff, and we'll get to that in a second. But looking at the future though, music. When you leave the military now,
yes,
you're going to return full
100%, man. Music never stop. Music never spoil.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I know I'm gonna be an OG. I'm probably an OG.
Yeah, that's amazing because remember,
but at the same time too,
the generation them change,
The generation them change. So you have to know as the musician, as the one where create the material, who your audience is. And just target your audience and just stick to your audience. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
I'm not gonna be a 50-year-old man. I try to reach out to the 18-year-old kids.
Yeah, so teeny boppers.
If the teeny boppers them cheer for my music at the time, well, them cheer for my music.
Bonus.
A bonus. But at the same time, I go look at a man like Barris. Look at
definitely.
Rest in peace, Gregor Isaacs and all these men, Dennis Brown, the prince of reggae, man. The crown prince of reggae, man. Their music lasts forever, right? And later down in their careers, they're not 20-something years old or 30-something years old, and their music transcends to everyone. So you just have to put out good music, know your audience. The younger generation, them probably want to hear, hey, broke out and ball. That's probably what they want to hear.
Yeah.
But they don't want to hear that from me. They don't want to hear that from a 50-year-old man. They want to hear that from somebody for them age that them can relate to. So me have to put out music now that is universal, basically. Timeless. You understand? Not in a certain niche where only apply to a certain age group or whatever. Just put out universal music at the time.
Definitely.
And it will work. It's just how you market it. It's just how you present yourself, right? And people will receive you.
Yeah, man.
I believe that. There's a space for everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, Zoom, you're in the music business for a while. How would you say you have, grown or matured as an entertainer?
Shoot. Patience.
Yeah.
I have an abundance of patience right now and tolerance for this. Basically, you can do anything at me right now and me just know say, yo, I'm not surprised, basically. Because I know that mankind have characteristics, right? So I'm just not surprised when things happen, and I just have more patience right now. When I'm younger, probably have a little way I say a little hot-head.
More aggression.
Yeah, a little more aggression to the thing. But now, I'm just pass away, especially if it's a younger dude where when I look back upon him, I see myself. If it's a younger dude where I act out of pocket, or a younger person act out of pocket, early 20s or whatever, when them act out of pocket, I look upon them and I'm just like, yo, that was me at that age.
It's a phase.
It's a phase. It's a phase. Yeah, I got mellow down soon, So, that's how I handle things. I'm mature as far as just professionalism.
Yeah.
I consider myself to be 100% professional.
Right.
And that's how I live my life. I present myself and carry myself in a certain way. Right now, whereby earlier, with it kind of like, little bit
rough around the edges.
Rough around the edges, exactly. But I would say somebody told me the other day that Zoom, that right now you're not the Zoom from back in the day. Right now you're a little bit, right now you're polished. I'm like, what? Bad man now,
Yes,
yeah, man. So that a go on, Teino, man. That a go on, man. It's a journey, it's a joy, and we're just there, hold it. And we're about to put out some new things. We're still putting out new things.
Yeah, man. Talk to you about some of the new projects now, because I know so the work never stop,
The work never stop. So over the years, I give you a recap.
Yes, man.
And then I bring you up
Because the
to
world
speed.
need the recap.
Yeah, I get a recap as far as the music, and then I catch up to speed to what we actually I cook up and I chef up right now, right? So 2000 and what I say probably about 4 years ago, did a song with Alizade, Shell Shock. Shot the music video. It was distributed by VP Records, and also a couple music video, a couple songs. Lanky had one called Shake Up Your Body or something to that effect with Lanky.
Yeah.
I did a song called Jamaica No Problem. Shot the video. The video also was shot by Warrior Production, right?
Okay.
And that one is out as well from then. Now 2020, I put out an album. It's called Full Circle. The reason why the album is called Full Circle is because you already know, came from music to the military and then back to the music. So it was a full circle for me.
Full circle.
Yes. And so this album, Full Circle, was released in 2020, October of 2020, in the heights of Corona, basically.
Yeah.
Distributed by 1 RPM. As artist, Mr. Easy's featured on the album. He's the only artist featured on the album, you know, apart from me. But as far as musicians, you know, you have Sly and Robbie, you have Lanky, you got Da Seika, you know, songs mixed by Dunwell and the whole works, and you know,
All-Star
Gregory.
man.
Yes, exactly. So it's a great album. Song, and if you listen to the album, you'll hear the growth in me as well too, as far as it have a little dance, it have mostly reggae, and it have just basically universal music and positive music, right? The title track for that album is Baby No Way, and I shot the video right here in Jamaica, multiple locations, and it was directed by Jay Parkworth. He's a British director, music director. He flew down from London for the video. We shot it. I got a lot of good scenes, and if you want YouTube, you can see it. Zumjay, Baby No Way. It's a love song. One of them songs that are gonna pop up basically every Valentine's Day, every Mother's Day. It's a timeless song. Yeah, so that's how we keep it now, you know, timeless. So that's for the album now. After the album now I'm promoting this song called BigGoldChain on the Gigi rhythm. You know that the Gigi rhythm come out again.
Yeah.
Cassette Jones. Original Cassette Jones, I used to sell cassette out at Crossroad.
A knockover again.
No, actually, it's Clevey himself who built the original rhythm. You know, Steely and Clevey built the original Gigi rhythm. Well, Clevey built this for Cassette Jones, basically. So it's the same musician build the rhythm again. So it's okay. So it's not like him go get another man for knock over, steal them rhythm. It's Clevey himself, you know. Rest in peace, Steely, you know, one of the greatest that ever did it. Yeah, Cleve himself built it over created for Cassette Jones. And it have a all-star cast on it. Spragga Benz, Wayne Wonder, Version Deliranks, you know, Bada General, you know, just to name a few. Myself, Zumjay, with a song called Big Gold Chain. And the reason why I did a song about Big Gold Chain is because the rhythm is a 90s rhythm. So I wanted to pick an element from the 90s.
Go back in that vibe.
Go back in that vibe, exactly.
The dancehall space.
Yes. So when I think about it, the big gold chain, apart from the linen suit, you don't know the desert clocks, right? The Sea Queen thing them, you know, so the big gold chain, it's synonymous with dancehall from them time. Whenever a DJ make him first hit song and start hold some money, the first thing I'm gonna buy before car or nothing, I want big gold chain. Because that is like a sense of accomplishment basically I reach once I get the chain. You know what I mean? So it's called Big Gold Chain, and but I love the people, I'm checking it out still. So that's what I'm basically promoting right now, and I'm working on an EP as well to be completed by the end of this year. And you know, we're cooking up some stuff right now and chefing up some stuff.
Yes, man.
You know?
And right now, just remind the viewers where they can find you on the socials, because a whole heap of things are cook up and a chef up.
Things are cook up and a chef up.
They might stay so and watch a pot in the Zoom.
They might watch a pot, but no worry yourself. We can't take off the thing off of the stove too early. Right. We can't overcook it neither.
Which is right.
We're going to serve it when it's right. We're going to dish it when it's right. So right now, basically, for bookings, it's going to be bookzumjay@gmail.com. Right? That's bookzumjay@gmail.com. I know for my fans, whenever you want to reach out, whenever you want to see what Zumjay is up to, basically, whether it be as Zumjay the artist or just Zumjay as a family person, check out my IG. It's Zumjay Music at IG, you know. Twitter, it's Zumjay. Facebook, it's Zumjay, you know. So that's basically it. ZUMJAY, ZUMJAY. That's it.
Can't miss.
Can't miss. You know, for my Americans, that's a ZUMJAY, right? For everybody else, a ZUMJAY.
Go so.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Zoom. You know, I touch out on a new song, man. Because I know I get the full
Oh
thing later.
gosh, man, a new song the man saying, what yo?
We don't want to go back
chain,
out, alright?
big gold chain. Y'all them love up my big gold chain. Ask Shelly and ask Elaine. Y'all them love up my big gold chain. Big gold chain, big gold chain. Y'all them love up my big gold chain. Big
Yes,
gold chain, them brain. Big gold chain. We gold chain it heavy, it no lame. It's so heavy on my neck, it a strain. We're go everywhere. Zoom. Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out.
Yeah, man.
And you don't know, I play upon the 90s. I try to get the simplest melody as possible just to make it just catchy. You know, I don't want to think about it and over analyze and put a bag of lyrics in it. I just want it as simple as possible. Big gold chain, big gold chain. You understand?
Simple as that.
Yeah, man. So that's the new thing. Big gold chain. Right where I run out with. Done. Yes, sir.
Why, so? Why is a jive for see the eyes, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What you say, man? It's a jive for see it too.
Man.
It's a jive for see it too, Teino, man. Because you know it's not no, you know. It's
Facts,
not if nor
facts.
when, you know. It's oh, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
So, respect, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Passing
sir.
through next Friday.
Passing through. Where the rhythm them there? Where the rhythm them?
Yeah, man. So, peeps, there you have it.
Yes,
Another
sir.
exciting episode of next Friday. Now be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell because you don't want to miss a beat. And remember, next Friday, every Friday, we out.